Hello. Today we're learning the phrasal verb get something over. It means to finish or complete something, especially if it's difficult or unpleasant. For example, you can say, I want to get this meeting over. This means you want to finish the meeting quickly. Get something over is separable. You can say, get the exam over or get over the exam, but the first is more common. Use it when you want to show relief after finishing a task. For example, let's get this project over before the deadline. Be careful not to confuse it with get over something. Get over something means to recover from it, like feeling better after being sad. Remember, get something over is about finishing. Try using it with tasks like exams, meetings, or conversations. For example, I want to get the test over. It's a useful phrase for daily life. Now try making your own sentences. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and see you next time.